enjoy the program today. To check out the book, go to the Nashville Public Library website. And for more information about the book Dreamers, visit the Nashville Reads page. Thank you.
Hola, niños. Hola, amigos. Hola, amigos. Soy Señora Rachel. Hello, friends. I am Señora Rachel, and if you would like to say hello to me, you would say, Hola, Señora. Do you think you could sing Hola, Señora like this? Hola, Señora. Try it one more time. Hola, Señora. I'm going to sing Hola, niños. And you answer with Hola, Señora. Muy bien. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Buenas tardes, how are you? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? Me llamo. My name is Señora Rachel. I'm glad to be with you today. Now let's see if you can sing that with me. We start out by saying good afternoon, and in Spanish we say buenas tardes. Can you say that with me? Buenas tardes. And then the next part of the song is how are you? And in Spanish we say ¿Cómo estás? Can you say that with me? ¿Cómo estás? Then we introduce ourselves and say our name by saying me llamo and then your name. For instance, I would say me llamo Señora Rachel. Now you try it. Me llamo. Tell me your name. Dime tu nombre. Awesome. Okay, vamos a cantar la canción otra vez. We're going to sing the song again. Buenas tardes. ¿Cómo estás? Me llamo, and then your name. Are you ready? Here we go. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Buenas tardes, how are you? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? Me llamo. My name is Señora Rachel. I'm glad to be with you today. This time I want to hear you say your name. Me llamo. My name is... Very good. I'm glad to be with you today. Bravo. Estoy muy emocionada. I am so excited to read this story with you. Today we're going to read Soñadores, which means dreamers in Spanish. And this book is by Yuyi Morales. And look at this beautiful book cover. Con muchos colores, lots of colors, and lots of beautiful things to look at too. Yo veo una mariposa. I see a butterfly. Do you see anything else? También veo un pájaro. I also see a bird. I also hear a bird too in my yard. Y también veo un bebé con su mamá. I see a baby and the baby's mama. Okay, amigos, let's open up this book and read Soñadores. Soñé contigo y llegaste. Juntos ahora éramos una vida resplandeciente tú y yo. I dreamed of you and then you arrived, says the mama. And there she is, reaching out to her sweet, adorable little baby. And over here it says, amor. Can you say that with me? Amor, and that means love. Un día empacamos nuestra mochila y cruzamos un puente tan extenso como el universo, llevando con nosotros nuestros regalos. Here is their backpack, and it's full of all their gifts. And over here we see that they're crossing a big bridge. I wonder where this bridge is taking them to. Down here it says, Adios, corazón, which means goodbye, heart. And that makes me think that they're leaving someplace behind, someplace special that they love very, very much. Y cuando llegamos al otro lado, sedientos, sobrecogidos, sin poder volver atrás, nos convertimos en inmigrantes. Oh, on this page, they're looking to the new place where they have arrived. They're tired, they're thirsty, and a little bit sad because they can no longer return or go back to where they came from. Migrantes tú y yo, la tierra y el cielo nos recibieron con palabras diferentes a las de nuestros ancestros. The land and the sky has welcomed them, but in different words than what their ancestors spoke, different words than what they're used to. Había tantas cosas que desconocíamos sin poder entender y con miedo a hablar. Cometimos muchos errores. They didn't understand. They were in a place they didn't know, that they didn't recognize. It looks like they're looking at a map to try to find their way around this new place. And because they didn't speak the language, they were scared to talk. And they made lots of mistakes because they didn't understand. And right here we can see where they're splashing around in this public fountain. Uh-oh. And here the mama says, ¡ay! Tú y yo, ahora caminantes, miles y miles de pasos dimos por esta tierra hasta el día en que encontramos un lugar que nunca antes habíamos visto. Misterioso, fantástico. They walked thousands and thousands of steps until one day they found a place they've never seen before. Very mysterious and fantastic. Wow, where do you think they are? What kind of place did they find? Yo veo muchos libros. I see lots of books, and that makes me think that they are in a library. Una biblioteca. Can you say that? Biblioteca. Increíble. Sorprendente. Inimaginable. And they're discovering all kinds of wonderful things through books. I see, veo un tiburón. They're learning about sea life. Here's a fire truck, camión de bomberos. There's a rocket ship, un cohete. What else do you see on this page? So many things to see. Donde no necesitábamos hablar, solo confiar. Y eso hicimos. A place where we didn't need to speak, only trust, and that's what we did. Los libros se convirtieron en nuestra lengua. Los libros se convirtieron en nuestro hogar. Los libros se convirtieron en nuestra vida. Y tú y yo aprendimos a leer, a hablar, a escribir y a hacer oír nuestras voices. The books turned into our language. The books also became our home. The books became our life, and we learned how to read and how to write and how to speak. Algún día llegaremos a hacer algo que aún ni siquiera nos imaginamos. Pero ahora somos historias, somos dos lenguas, somos lucha, somos tenacidad, somos esperanza, somos soñadores, soñadores del mundo. Somos amor. Now we are stories. We are two languages. We are hope. We are dreamers of the world. We are love. Qué bello. What a beautiful book. Me encanta este libro. I love this book because it reminds me of my family and of my ancestors and of their journey to a new place where they also had to learn a new language and a new way of life. And so I feel connected to this book because I feel that I also am two languages. I am stories. I am hope. I am also the struggle of my ancestors that I'm so proud of. Okay, amigos, muchísimas gracias. Thank you so much for joining me for this lovely story. Y ahora vamos a cantar una canción, la canción de adiós. We're going to sing the goodbye song. It is super easy. The words are adiós, mis amigos, which means goodbye, my friends. Adiós, mis amigos. Goodbye, my friends. Adiós, mis amigos. Until we meet again. Esta vez canta conmigo. Sing with me this time. Adiós, mis amigos. Goodbye, my friends. Adiós, mis amigos. Until we meet again. Until we meet again. Until we meet again. Adiós, amigos, y un besito. Keep dreaming and keep reading. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this Nashville Reads program. Now, we would like to hear from you. So that we can provide you with the most relevant, high-quality programming, please take a minute to fill out the survey online or click on the survey available in the description box below. Thank you.